Enabling AirDrop on your iPhone allows for quick and wireless file sharing with nearby Apple devices, making it convenient to transfer photos, documents, and other content. Here's how to enable and manage this feature on the new iPhone 16. To begin, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on AirDrop. Now choose your preferred receiving option. To use AirDrop only with people in your contacts, select Contacts Only. Only people in your contacts list can send files through AirDrop. To use AirDrop with anyone nearby for a limited time, select Everyone for 10 minutes. Anyone nearby can send files through AirDrop temporarily. After 10 minutes, the AirDrop option automatically reverts to Contacts Only. To disable AirDrop, just select Receiving Off from the given options. When AirDrop is enabled, you'll always get a preview and need to accept incoming files. Files won't download automatically without your permission. This iPhone feature provides a secure and efficient way to share content with other Apple devices. You can always adjust these settings based on your needs and privacy preferences. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.